TradingView Lunar New Year Sale 2024, up to 65% off. TradingView launches a Lunar New Year sale, offering discounts up to 65% on its plans until February 11th. The link to the promotion is in the description. The sale features discounts on monthly and annual plans, giving you substantial yearly savings across different tiers. Elevate your trading with the premium plan, offering a significant $468 yearly savings and an exclusive 65% discount, now priced at $251.75 annually. The Plus plan presents a $162 annual savings with a generous 45% discount, making it available at $197.60 per year. The Essential plan provides a yearly saving of $54 and a 30% discount, bringing the cost down to $125.87. TradingView boasts a global community of 50 million users, acclaimed for its investing resources and tools. Remember to use the promotion link in the description to save up to 65%. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more trading software sales. See you next time.